So guys, today we're going to take ourselves for a spin here at Buendia Skyway E2 Buendia on ramp all the way to Quezon City. And right now on my watch it's 6:20 to be exact, and we're going up the ramp right now. You can see it's on the right side. Okay, so right now we're entering the ramp. So there's a lot of people using this ramp. While it's free, this toll gate is all the way, taking all the way to Quezon City. And I heard that this ramp will only take you 15 minutes. 15 freaking minutes from Makati all the way to Quezon City, which I don't think won't happen if you take the long road down Osmeña, Quirino, all the way to Lacson. And yeah, I don't think it's really possible. So this infrastructure is made by San Miguel. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit dizzy over here. So yeah, so many hurdles. Okay, so be very careful that this Skyway you can run at the maximum of 60 kilometers per hour, or I mean 80, as we can see over there on the side. Yeah, let's try to step up our gas up to 80 and see if we can really beat the time. 50 minutes, okay, 50 minutes is the mark. So we should be at Quezon City by 6:35 or 6:36, since we have a little bit delay going up the ramp because of course this is our first time. So sit back, relax, and I'll take you to Quezon City. So right now we're at Nagtahan exit. Based on what I see on the sign road, it's wow, so fast. Really. I mean, yeah, there's no words I can say. It's really fast. So you can see the lights. It's really nice if you're traveling at night. They have placed LEDs and reflector shades on the side of the road, making it very visible to drivers to make sure you make the correct turn, of course. So this Skyway would really be very useful if you're traveling from the north to south, especially when you're rushing towards the airport. This is one really good road to hit. I just really don't know how much it would cost you once they start charging us the toll fee. Right now it's still free, and yeah, you can maximize it while it's free. You can test drive from north to south, south to north. And right now we're in San Juan River, and it's simply just 6:25 on my watch, and you're coming over from Makati to San Juan in 5 minutes. Are you crazy? Really? That's so fast? Really? I mean, nuts. So right now, due to the slow vehicles up front, I'm just traveling at around 60 kilometers per hour, and I can see the signs that I can only run up to 60. So yeah, to prevent yourself from being apprehended, just make sure and be mindful of the signs on the side, how many kilometers per hour you can run, and make sure you don't you don't overspeed. So yeah, it might cost you some bucks just to get your license back, or yeah, it's probably a contactless apprehension, and there are probably some hidden speed cams over here. Just be very, very careful. So based on my map, I'm just roughly 3.4 kilometers away from dropping off at Quezon City. Man, that's I probably can get it in less than 15 minutes. Really. You just have to be careful when you're driving here at Skyway. There's a lot of sharp curves, so you better be very careful and be alert when you're driving here at Skyway. If I'm correct, on my left right now, it's SM Santa Mesa. It's I'm already setting foot in Quezon City, and right now it can see that the sign said that we're entering Aurora Boulevard, and yes, I'm correct, it's SM Santa Mesa, and right now we have set foot on Araneta and just crossed Aurora Boulevard. So we'll be descending in a few moments. So time check right now, it's 6:28. So we have just surpassed only 8 minutes coming off from Buendia, and based on what I see, we should be descending in 1.3 kilometers. Just should be careful not to go overboard. Once you forgot to go down the ramp, then you will be going down all the way at Bonifacio exit. That's gonna be trouble. Keep right, Quezon Avenue, keep right. So yes, we'll be keeping right. So 300 meters. So yeah, we're crossing E. Rodriguez. Yep, we should be in Quezon Avenue in no time. And okay, so we can see that there's a log jam over there. So right now it's 6:30 in the evening, and we've just how can I say, it's just 10 minutes from Buendia down here to Quezon Avenue. It's just really a log jam here on the exit. So yeah, it's not really counted. So yeah, if you want to try this all new Skyway E2 from south to north, from Buendia to Quezon Avenue, you should try it. So yeah, that's about it. And I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and I hope to take you to my next adventure. So I hope to see you pretty soon. Goodbye.